Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to see save post in LinkedIn. Guys, if you save any post or link in LinkedIn, then how will you see? Don't need to confuse about it. You simply have to go on your home page, look at the top on the screen, and here you will see your nav bar, and here you have to click on your home. And once you click on home, then you will see this type of interface on your screen, and here on the left side the screen, here you will see your profile, and just go down this bar and here you will see my items. Click on my items, and in this my item you will see all the saved posts and articles and all the jobs you've applied on LinkedIn. May this video going to be helpful for you to see your saved post in LinkedIn. So guys, this is how to see saved post in LinkedIn. Keep watching. Thank you so much. Good luck.